I say, man, I'm here in my brother's RV travel trailer, and we are going to check out a problem that he's got. He's got some leaking going on above his shower. Got old George here. He's going to help me out. Ain't you, George? We'll go back here in the bathroom. We'll take a good look at the ceiling above the shower. Look at that. His roof is obviously leaked, and we'll have to troubleshoot and see how bad it is. That's pretty solid. Oh, not solid there. Solid up in here. So this part is bad. This is soft, but this is probably not plywood. Well, what is it? It's a piece of paneling. I do believe we got fiberglass back behind them making the bow. We could probably do something to repair that. Matter of fact, well, I'm not going to say nothing. Just going to say I almost thought I had some of this material. Back wall here. This is the side wall in the back. It starts to get really soft in here. The further we go back, it gets solid as we go forward. So the back corner's bad. So behind here is probably bad. What I probably need to, I guess I better step in the shower with my fat ass and see if I'll fall through the floor. Okay, the shower is really solid. No, that's not a way of telling if the floor underneath's good. If someone wants to use this RV, I just want to make sure they don't fall through the floor. So let's go outside and check things out. George, what the hell you doing up there? You trying to get out of work? George is trying to hide and get out of work. Look at that. You getting mighty damn lazy, boy. Get your ass down there and get to work. Get your, come on. Get your ass, come on, get out. Come on. I said get down. You get your ass down right now. Dad told you, get your ass down right now. Good boy. Listen to your father. You are an extremely good boy. Oh, yeah. Let's go to work, George. Let's go. We got work to do. You get your ass out like I tell you to. Come on. Right now, George, you get your ass out of here right now. George, hey, you listen to me, George. Hey. You listen to me, get your ass out right now. Come on, get on. Come on. Get your ass outside. Come on, fear me. Get your ass outside. Good boy. We're on top of the roof of the RV checking it out. It's pretty solid up in here. That's getting soft right in here. So it's delaminated starting into here. It's actually pretty solid around this roof vent. Except for when you get on this side, it starts to get soft, but it's not bad. So it's the softest right here as far as delamination. And this caulk is cracked up pretty bad in here. So we're going to scrape all this off and reseal it. What we're trying to do today is stop the bleeding. We're expecting a substantial amount of rain tomorrow night. So we'll try to get sealed up. Let me show you some more damage. If you look down the side of the travel trailer, you'll see right there in back, right below the ladder, it's delaminated 3 feet or so from the rear. See that? Paneling's come loose. Solid right here. Oops. Them yellow jackets don't like me. God dang it. George's yellow jacket's there. George's yellow jacket's there. Anyways, Yellow Jacket's a little pissed off at me for beating on their wall. You can see where the delamination is. You can see where it ends right there. It's also delaminated along the edge in the back here. Again, another shot of the delamination. I think you can see it on the camera. So it's wicked down the wall. There is you cannot see the floor from underneath without taking things apart. which I probably won't do today. Right now I'm going to just try to work on how the water got into it. We're just going to try to keep it from getting worse. I'd rather not make the repairs that I think it needs until next summer when it's hot and dry out for a long period of time. And what we're going to do there is we're going to peel the entire roof off, fix any damaged wood, and we're going to put a EPDM solid sheet of rubber across the roof. It'll be a rubber roof. Right now it's got what they call a TPO membrane, which I think the manufacturer thought was going to be a better membrane, but it turns out it's got a felt backing, and if it leaks, the felt will wick that water around and really cause havoc to the structure underneath. So it needs a new roof. Everything needs to come off. And then as far as fixing the delaminated sides, what I've done before on my mother's motorhome, she had quite a bit of delamination around her rear windows. And we tried epoxy, which a lot of people say to use, and for some reason we didn't have much luck with it. And then we tried Gorilla Glue, and we had real good luck with the Gorilla Glue. And we used boards to press. Oh, there you are. Get your ass. Come here, George. Come on. People might want to hear your opinion. We were able to press the siding of the motorhome back into place. And that's what we're going to do on this one. We're going to pour Gorilla Glue down the side when we have everything apart, and then we'll use plywood covered in blankets or something, and we'll devise a way to press that plywood against the sides to evenly put pressure on it to push the siding back in place. And then the roof, like I said, we'll replace the boards there. Then we'll just fix the interior a little bit. I might be able to fix the interior before then. I got some fiberglass paneling about the same color I think I can do just inside the shower, and it'll look really good. We'll see, right, George? So we'll see. We'll go ahead and start working, and we'll update you when we have things to tell you about. Thank you. Alrighty, I'm starting to peel away at it. You'll see right here, the brown dirt goes all the way up underneath there, so it definitely was getting in there. Now how far it got in, I don't know. But here, the seam of caulk that goes down the edge, you can see right here where it's no longer holding. Scrape that off and see if it's dirty. Well, see, my scraper goes right underneath there. That's not good. So I'm just scraping everything off, looking for where it came in, because I'm the kind of person who wants to know why. You know, I hate diving into something, not seeing, put my eyeball on the problem is what I like to tell people. But George is going to have a lot of crap to pick up on the ground there. George, you better get to work picking this stuff up. Check this out right here. The trim is bent, and looks like they screwed the trim down on top of a screw head or something. Something's caught underneath there, so I have to make sure I squeeze some butyl into there real good. And this stuff that I'm taking off acts like it's butyl. It's real stretchy and still kind of tacky. And then on this opposite end from where it was leaking, pretty solid, but look how dirty that is. It doesn't look like it's gotten underneath it, but it's laying right there. The water was getting right in there in a crack. So if it would have found its way in, it would just funnel water right on inside the ceiling. Alrighty, I'm going to brush all this off and clean up a little bit more. Then I'm going to put some butyl caulk on it. I'll show you it when I'm done. Okay, I put a bead of butyl caulk across the seam. She ain't pretty, but I don't think she's going to leak. Anywhere that I could force it under the aluminum trim, I did. And I put some caulk around the vent. Like I said, next year I'm going to go ahead and pull the roof off. And then when I lay like that aluminum trim down, there'll be a really good bead of butyl under it. I may be wrong, but on here they just got it piled up so much and it's cracked. And the crack held water and let it wick down into the roof. So anyways, thanks for watching. Maybe next summer we'll do a video on doing the whole thing.